Hi guys, if you're new to this channel, my good name is Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be making this blender cake at the comfort of our home. So let's get into it. So these are the ingredients that we need. In your blender, just add in 3 eggs, and guys, I've listed down below the ingredients on the description box. Kindly check that out. And then we're now going to also add in some sugar over there, and also milk. And if you don't have milk, you can substitute that to natural yogurt or even water. And then you see your dry ingredients, which are your wheat flour, baking powder, and also some melted butter, or you can even substitute that to granola oil. Grease your grease your baking tin, and then you just add your mixture into the baking tin, and you can just try to do that using a skewer. And this is me checking whether my cake is ready after baking it for 45 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius in the oven. Look at that cake, guys. It was the best cake ever, and that is the aftermath. This was a very moist cake, and everybody enjoyed the cake. And yeah, we can definitely rate this cake at 10 out of 10. And by the way, you know the taste of a cake when you eat it while cold. So always wait for your cake to get cold, and then you can now eat it while it's cold. And this cake, we finished it in a span of like 30 minutes. It was just over. So this is something that you can definitely try it out. God bless you. Bye bye.